For today's Tesla Model Y video, we're gonna showcase this refrigerator that goes to the back of the seat. Now, I don't have a Tesla Model Y, so I had my friends, Leah and Brent, who I shoot weddings with together, come and bring their Model Y so we could install it here. We were shooting a wedding last week, super hot, no refrigerator, in the car, of course. The drinks that was in there got too hot to drink, so I thought getting a refrigerator for them would be amazing, because then next time we go to shoot a wedding, we'll have cold drinks. All right, so we're gonna open this up. We're gonna show you how to install it, and then we'll tell you all about it. And if you do like it, I got the discount code link below. All right, let's go. Now, the cool thing about this is that this is not only a refrigerator, but it's also a warmer. It gets as hot as 130 degrees Fahrenheit. So you can actually keep hot food in here and keep it warm. Or I think that could even cook a meal. All right, 130 degrees Fahrenheit, that's like enough to cook something. Cook a hot dog. Da-da-da. Okay. Look at that, it's just that simple. There isn't really much to install, just, there you go, boom. You got the cable, you got the rack, so you could put sodas on this thing. It's a soda rack. And then a plastic tool. Very easy to take this out. It's almost like a toy. There really isn't much to do but to just simply pull it out. If you give it a firm, there you go, just kind of held in by a little plastic. There you go. I'm gonna take out the bottom part first. There you go. It just pops out. There's just some clips that just holds in place. Now, just to let you know, it just comes off. Just pull gently so you don't break anything. There's this cable that is used for the USB. So you're gonna take this out now, but you're gonna plug it back in so that way you have the USB connector. And to pull it out, be gentle. Okay, there it is, it came out. All right, that's out. All right, now there's a Torx screw to take this out. I believe that it's a Torx 20. There you go, place. So you take this out, there you go. All right, so that's where the fridge goes in, right over here. All right, so there's the cable right here. Man, this Model Y is so huge. I'm just sitting here comfortably. The Model 3 is so tiny. You have to like cram in, but right here, I'm just chilling. It's crazy. You're using that USB cable that powers your back of your USB connector back here. And using that same power with this refrigerator cable, you plug it in. And that's one thing about Tesla accessories. They feel like toys. They don't really feel like you're fixing up your car. It feels like you're just playing with a toy. Boom. And now you get to put this end back into this so that you get your USB connector, and this powers up the fridge, so it's shared. And then you plug this in. Thank you so much for that zoom. Boom. Da-da-da. It just fits perfectly in here. Ah, there you go. Oh, there you go. Oh, it's a perfect fit. All right, look at that. Don't forget to plug this back into your adapter so your USB-C connector works. And it's just that simple. There's nothing crazy about it. Just push things in. Then you pump this in. Oh my gosh, look at that. All right, you see this right here? Leah and Brent's dog chowed this. Yummy. All right, let's go ahead and turn this on. Boom. You better at least fit 4 drinks. Oh, wow. It won't go this way, but it's kind of small, but I think you could fit up to like 5 sodas. It looks like 5 sodas and a water. Yeah, oh, maybe not the water. So the water bottle doesn't fit. This is really made for food, little food trays, and your soda. It's not much, just enough for the wedding day. All right, just a couple of Red Bulls and a couple of sodas, and that's it. Oh, okay, I was wondering why this doesn't fit, because it also comes with a tray, I think, that allows you to put the soda in. So it doesn't roll around, so that's kind of cool. All right, so 4 drinks is all you can fit in here. The heater's on, right? And then you could hold that down. Now the cooler's on. Then you could push this to power it off or power it on. Tesla could shut off when you are away from your car, but if you want to maintain the refrigerator to be on the whole time, just turn on Sentry mode. So get yourself a refrigerator. I think it looks really cool. It fits perfectly, easy installation. Discount code link below and leave a comment, and I will see you next time.